So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another live session. Firstly, I would like to thank to my viewers for investing your time with Seagull Staffing Solution. Myself, Rutuja Anjankar, as an HR professional from Seagull Staffing Solution. So, the session pertains the job openings and opportunities for Pan India. So, requesting you to pay an attention on each and every slides where you can we have the email IDs, QR code, and the WhatsApp contact numbers on it. As you can see on my screen, Seagull International Human Resource Consultants since 1985 is ICV certified and has completed 40 years of excellence. It is the biggest workforce provider. For more information, you can visit our website, which is www.seagullhr.com. This is our company profile. Seagull International LLP is an ISO certified global human resource consultant, headquarters at Mumbai, India, and having branches at New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Kochi, Vadodara, Vizag, and overseas branches at Nepal, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Sweden, UK, and Lithuania. Seagull is approved by Ministry of External Affairs. So this is our branches, international and domestic branches. Kochi, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. International branches in UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. This is our new job portal, which is seagalljobsforyou.com. Register now and start your journey through our website. To registration, you can scan our QR code also. To stay connected with us on our social media account, this is our Facebook page where you can scan the QR code and connect with us for our daily fortnight artworks. India is one of the leading logistic company requires head of accounts. Location would be Mumbai location. Oversees end-to-end finance and accounting operation with monthly and annual closing. Ensure full compliance with direct and indirect tax laws and regulatory filings. Manage financial planning, semis reporting, budgeting and cash flow controls. Supervise AP and AR reconciliations, payrolls and stakeholder coordination. Drive financial disciplines, internal controls and team performance. Experience for the role is minimum 9 years of experience, and the preferred sector for the role is logistic, transport, supply chain, or preferred is not mandatory. Qualification is BCom, MCom, or MBA in finance. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID or contact number. India is one of the leading transport company requires head of operation. Lead operations drive performance and deliver your excellence. Handle daily transport and fleet operations smoothly. Manage deliveries, vehicles and logistic teams. Ensure safe and timely transportation services. Coordinate with vendors and control transport cost. Improve fleet performance and operational efficiency. Minimum experience for the role is 10 years of experience. Industry would be logistic and transport. Qualification is graduate and sector would be logistic or transport. Interested candidates can scan the given QR code or you can contact the given email ID or contact number. India is one of the leading logistic and transport company requires manager, HR and admin. Location would be Vadala, Mumbai location. Manage recruitment, onboarding and employee engagement activities. Handle payroll inputs, attendance, leave and employee records. Ensure HR policies, implementation and statutory compliance. Oversees administration, facilities, travel and vendor coordination. Support performance management, training in HRMIS reporting, strong understanding of labor laws, HR practice, and administration operations. Experience for the role is minimum 8 to maximum 10 years of experience in HR and administration law. Industry preference would be experience in logistic and transport industry will be an added advantage. Qualification would be bachelor's, master's degree in human resource management or business administration or related field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number. One of the leading transport companies required credit control executive. Location would be Andheri West location. monitor customer accounts, outstanding balance overdue payments, follow up with clients through calls, emails, and maintain accurate records of collections, payment status, and receivables. Coordinate with sales finance teams to address payment-related issues. Prepare align MIS reports, support month-end receivables, closings, and escalate high-risk accounts. Gender for the role would be both male and female is preferable. Years of experience is minimum 5 to 8 years of experience. Type of sector would be logistic. Qualification would be any graduate. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading logistic company requires operation executive, handling customer coordination and shipment updates, managing logistic documents and transport records, preparing invoices, LR copies and dispatch details, coordinate with the drivers and operation teams for smoothly delivery. Experience for the role is minimum 2 to maximum 5 years of experience. Type of sector would be logistic, and qualification would be any graduate. Location would be Mumbai location. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading logistic company requires billing executive generate and issue invoices to customers in a timely manner, verify billing data, include pricing, maintain and update billing records and documentation, coordinate with sales, accounts, and operation teams for billing accuracy, resolve billing discrepancies and customer queries, prepare billing reports and assist in financial audits, ensure compliance with company policies and financial regulations, maintain confidentiality of financial information. Location for the role would be Mumbai location. Experience is minimum 2 to maximum 5 years of experience. Type of sector would be transport, logistic, and qualification for the role is any degree. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. Dubai-based semi-government company requires marine, shipyard, oil and gas sector. Location would be Navi Mumbai location, Maharashtra. Position would be senior engineer, structural production engineering. Lead structural engineering projects for marine and offshore works, ensuring quality, efficiency, and timely delivery within budget. Coordinate structural engineering projects with global teams, India and Dubai. Manage deliverables, schedules, resource, and budgets. Ensure quality, safety, and cost-effective execution. Lead teams development and drive continuous improvement. Qualification for the role is naval architect, mechanical engineering, or technical is equivalent. Industry for the role is marine, shipyard, and offshore or oil and gas. Experience for the role is minimum 10 to 15 years of experience. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. A leading Dubai-based semi-government marine shipyard oil and gas company requires marine system engineers, senior piping engineers, electrical engineers. Operation would be in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Online interviews are in progress. Interested candidates, the annual salary for the role would be minimum 29 to maximum 32 lakhs plus other perks. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading food chain company is looking for IT executive. Location would be Goregaon East, Mumbai location. Ensure SOP compliance across outlets, conduct store visits and audits, handle queries and provide support, assist in outlet setup and onboarding. Eligibility criteria for the role would be experience is minimum 1 to maximum 3 years of experience. Industry would be retail or F&B industry. Qualification is graduation in any discipline. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number. India is one of the leading defense technology company requires chief financial officer, lead financial strategies, budgeting and long-term planning, oversees accounting, reporting and compliance control, manage cash flow investments and banking relations, ensure regulatory compliance and risk management, lead finance teams and improve system efficiency, partner with leadership on growth and cost optimization, Experience working with an IPO listed company is essential. The location for the role would be Belapur, Navi Mumbai location. Experience for the role is minimum 15 to maximum 25 years of experience. Gender would be male and type of sector would be defense, accounting, finance, and qualification for the role is CA or MBA mandatory. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading financial service company requires advisory franchisee PCG, advising and managing ultra HNI client portfolios, analyzing financial needs, risk appetite, and recommending suitable investment solutions, upselling products like mutual fund, PMS, IAP, and insurance to diversify and stabilize client portfolios, responsible for generating revenue through brokerage and third-party products. Travel to meet clients and franchisee buildings, a relationship and expanding the business network. Advising and trading experience is must. Minimum experience for the role is 2 years and above. Gender would be any gender. Certification is NISM Series 8 certificate, which is equity derivative certification, should be an active certificate. Type of sector would be finance sector, investment, or BFSI. Qualification for the role is graduation, post graduation in any relevant field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading banking and finance company requires sales manager. Location would be Bangalore, Hubli and Mysore. Drive sales of loan against property and home loans. Achieve monthly and quarterly sales target. Build strong relationship with DSA. Understand customer requirements and suggest suitable loan products. Experience for the role is minimum 3 years of experience. Type of sector would be banking and finance. Qualification is any graduate or related field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. Dubai is one of the leading retail company requires HR executive, recruitment and onboarding process, employer relations and HR operations, payroll coordination and attendance management, strong communication and interpersonal skills, knowledge of UAE labor laws would be an advantage. Limited joiners are preferred. Location for the role is United Arab Emirates. Experience is minimum 5 to maximum 10 years of experience. Gender would be male. Type of sector would be retail, FMCG, or perfume industry. Qualification is MBA, HR, or diploma in HR. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading retail company requires sales executive, minimum 1 to 4 years of sales experience, preferably in perfumes, cosmetics, jewelry, or luxury retails. Bachelor degree or diploma in business, marketing, or a related field is preferred. Strong communication, negotiation, and customer relationship skills, passion for fragrances, and ability to meet sales targets consistently. Location would be Dahod, Gujarat location. Experience for the role is minimum 1 to maximum 4 years of experience. Gender would be any type of sector would be luxury brands, fashions, lifestyle, cosmetic, high-end retail perfume consumer goods. Qualification would be graduation or any related field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading manufacturing company is hiring for corporate communication executive. Ensure timely and accurate communication via print, electronic, and social media. Manage end-to-end processing of promotional materials, calendars, notepads, merchandise, etc. Coordinate internal sales review and technical review meetings. Organize and manage meeting effectively. Location would be Andheri, Mumbai location. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading construction company requires assistant general manager legal. Location would be Bangalore location. Conduct title due diligence and provide legal opinions. Draft and vet agreements, deeds and contracts. Manage property registration and coordinate with authorities. Ensure timely compliance, approvals and radar requirements. Support legal advisory, risk management and documentation. Experience for the role is minimum 10 to maximum 15 years of experience. Sector would be real estate infrastructure. Qualification for the role is LLB mandatory or LLM is preferred. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading real estate company requires marketing executive. Location would be Bangalore. Plan and execute digital campaigns like SEO, SEM, Google Ads, social media, email marketing. Manage paid campaigns including budgeting, A/B testing, and performance optimization. Track and analyze employees via Google Analytics, Meta Ads Manager, and other tools. Implement SEO strategies and keywords optimization. Experience for the role is minimum 2 to maximum 5 years of experience. Gender would be any. Qualification for the role is bachelor's degree in marketing or business. Sector would be real estate or agency. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading manufacturing company requires DGM, HR and administration. Location would be Daman location. Manage compensation and benefits, payroll and statutory reporting. Drive talent acquisition, ensure timely quality hiring, ensure labor law, factory act and contract labor compliance, oversees training, administration, facility management and workplace safety. Experience for the role is minimum 14 to maximum 15 years of experience. Industry would be manufacturing sector. Qualification for the role is MBA or HR or MLS. Diploma in HRM is mandatory. Type of sector would be manufacturing industry. Interested candidates can share the CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading investment company requires CFP Chartered Financial Planner. Location would be Goregaon West, Mumbai location. Manage and analyze financial data to generate meaningful business insights and projection. Prepare dashboard, MIS reports, and data visualization reports to support decision making. Structure and maintain accurate finance database and reporting systems. Support relationship managers with data driven projections, reporting, and performance analysis. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience caused. So, India is one of the leading investment companies looking for a CFP role. Experience for the role is minimum 2 to maximum 4 years of experience. Industry would be BFSI and wealth management. Qualification for the role is graduate. Required skill would be expertise in IT automation. Excellent knowledge of Excel and Power BI is mandatory. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading financial service and investment company requires a relationship manager, uh, client relationship management and portfolio handling, revenue generation and business development, strong communication and negotiation skills, client meetings and field travel coordination. Location for the role is Goregaon, Mumbai location. Experience for the role is 2 to 4 years of experience. Type of sector would be finance. Qualification would be graduate or related field. Gender is female candidates are first preference. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading logistic and transport company requires field executive documentation coordination. Location for the role is Andheri, Mumbai location. Experience for the role is minimum 2 to maximum 3 years of experience. Qualification would be graduate. Gender is any gender preferable, both male and female. Languages skill is English, Marathi, and Hindi. Travel would be willing to travel to any outstation. Willing to travel for any outstation stations. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID and contact number. You can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading investment company requires business head, drive business growth and achieve revenue, AUM and profitability targets, manage and build relationship with HNI and UHNI clients for investment and wealth solutions, develop, lead and monitor the wealth management and relationship management teams, develop business strategies, market expansion plans and cross-selling opportunities, ensure smooth execution of financial service while maintaining compliance and client satisfaction. Location for the role is Goregaon West location. Experience for the role is minimum 5 to maximum 8 years of experience. Type of sector would be investment, wealth management, and qualification for the role is graduate. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading logistic company requires port operations head, manage port and terminal operations, including vessel cargo and yard activities, ensure efficient utilization and manpower equipment and port infrastructures, monitor operational performance, vessel turnaround time, and productivity, ensure compliance with safety, HSE, and maritime regulations, coordinate with customs, shipping lines, and logistics stakeholders, handle KPI reporting, budgeting, and operational efficiency initiatives. Experience for the role is minimum 15 to maximum 20 years of experience. Type of sector would be shipping. Qualification is any graduate. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading shipping company requires commercial head. Location for the role is Govandi location. Experience for the role is minimum 10 years of experience. Sector would be shipping and logistics. Qualification for the role is graduate and interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the location would be Mumbai Agra location. Achieve sales and AUM, drive business growth in high margin investment products, activate, manage, and expand the MFD mutual fund distribution network, build and maintain strong relationship with distributors, clients, and corporate partners. Experience for the role is minimum 2 years of experience. NISM certification A is mandatory. A qualification for the role is graduate. Type of sector would be investment, wealth management, and mutual fund. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading conglomerate company requires naval architect, vessel design and development, concept design, detail design, and development of maritime vessel and structures, stable and hydro, hydrodynamics analysis, knowledge of classification society rules, offshore structures, submarines, and specialized vessel designings. Experience for the role is minimum 8 to 10 years of experience. Industry would be shipbuilding, ship design, marine structure. Qualification for the role is BTech be in naval engineering, marine engineering, or ocean engineering. Essential skills would be strong analytical skills, problem solving, attention in detail, and ability in multifunctionally. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading construction company requires production executive and manager, procurement planning and strategy, executive and manager, procurement planning and strategies, tendering and subcontractor management, contract and administration, cost control and vendor development, project coordinator, post award contract management, team management and reporting. Location would be Mumbai location. Experience for the role is minimum 8 to maximum 15 years of experience. Type of sector would be engineering, infrastructure, a large scale construction. Qualification is graduate. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading freight forwarding and shipping company requires assistant manager HR generalist. Location would be Andheri, Mumbai location. Manage end-to-end recruitment and talent acquisition activities. Handle employee relations and employee engagement initiative. Support HR operations, performance management and policy implementation. Coordination with departments, heads for manpower planning and hiring needs. Ensure smooth execution of HR generalist functions. Experience for the role is minimum 3 to maximum 5 years of experience. Gender would be both male and female. Type of sector would be freight forwarding and logistics. Qualification for the role is MBA, PGDM in human resource or equivalent. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading shipping and logistic company requires assistant manager customer service. Location would be Pune. Handle end-to-end import and export shipments. Coordinate with shipping lines, transporters, CHs, overseas agents, and customers. Manage ocean freight and sea freight operation efficiently. Prepare, verify, and manage import-export documentations. Track shipments and provide regular status updates to customers. Ensure smooth customer services and operational coordination. Experience for the role is minimum 3 to maximum 5 years of experience. Gender would be both male and female. Qualification for the role is graduate in any discipline, logistics, supply chain, management, shipping, or related field is preferred. Type of sector would be freight forwarding and logistics. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading oil spill response company requires financial analyst. Location would be Navi Mumbai Turkey location. Financial analyst and business intelligence, cash flow management and treasury, budgeting and forecasting, financial reporting and compliance support, project finance and contract monitoring, group reporting and HQ coordination. Qualification for the role is CFA, CA or MBA in finance. Industry would be multinational export oriented organizations. Experience for the role is minimum 2 to maximum 14 years of experience. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading conglomerate company requires construction manager. Location would be Dahej, Gujarat location. Experience for the role is minimum 10 plus years of experience. Industry would be offshore, marine or oil and gas. Qualification for the role is bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Focus area would be safety, quality, compliance and delivery excellence. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading plastic manufacturing company requires executive R&D. Location would be Daman location. Develop develop and test new PE color master batches. resolve customer complaints and provide solutions, perform color matching and prepare reports, maintain quality, safety, and ISO documentations, ensure IMS compliance and process improvements, coordinate with production and quality teams for product development activities. CIPET membership is mandatory. Experience for the role is minimum 12 years of experience. Type of sector would be plastic manufacturing, pigments testing for PE colors, expertise in pigment testings, color matching, PE color development. Interested candidates can show qualification for the role would be BE Chemical Engineering, degree or diploma in plastic technology, graduate with relevant industry. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading conglomerate company requires site head, complete site administration and governance, manpower leadership and HR and IR discipline management, client coordination and performance delivery, operation controls and daily executions, equipment and assets oversight, safety compliance and audit readiness and vendor contact management. Prior experience in ICD and CFS operations are terminal management is preferred. Location for the role would be Thumb, Gujarat location. Minimum experience for the role is 12 to 20 years of experience. Type of sector would be ICD inland container depot, CFS container freight station ports. Qualification is graduate MBA, PGDM or engineering and diploma or degree. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading construction company requires business development manager, develop new business opportunities and generate leads in target sectors, manage client relationship with developers, consultants and government agencies, identify tenders, EPC projects and upcoming infrastructure opportunities, coordinate proposal, commercial offers and contract negotiation, drive project acquisition and achieve revenue targets. Location for the role is Nashik location. Experience would be minimum 15 years of experience. Type of sector would be EPC, infrastructure and civil construction. Qualification for the role is BE, BTech in civil or MBA. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading FMCG company requires purchase executive NDP, identify and onboard reliable vendors and suppliers of raw materials, packaging and kitchen essentials, ensure timely procurement of quality ingredients and competitive prices, conduct regular market analysis and benchmarking to stay updated with pricing and quality trends, product market research and competitor analysis to identify trends and innovation opportunities. Experience for the role is minimum 3 to maximum 5 years of experience. Type of sector would be FMCG and qualification is bachelor's degree in supply chain management, business or related field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the QR code. India is one of the leading FMCG company requires distribution executive role, manage end-to-end distribution of raw materials and packaging supplies from distribution centers to stores, in-depth understanding of 3PL operations, warehouse management, inventory control and last mile delivery in QSR and FMCG, coordinate with 3PL partners, stores and internal teams to ensure uninterrupted supplies. Location would be Goregaon location. Experience for the role is minimum 3 to maximum 5 years of experience. Type of sector would be food and beverages. Qualification would be bachelor's degree in supply chain management, logistics, business and related field. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the logistic company requires junior IT developer develop, maintain, and enhance application using CNNET, C#.NET, NET, Microsoft Azure technologies. Monitor application performance, troubleshoot issues, and ensure smooth system operations. Design and implement system integrations to improve business processes and data flow. Collaborate with cross functions and global teams to deliver high quality IT solutions, monitor junior teams members and contribute to continuous learning and technology adoptions, Experience for the role is minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in software or development roles. Type of sector would be any. Qualification for the role is bachelor's, master's degree in IT or any related field. Location would be Gunsoli, Navi Mumbai location. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading AMC company requires a relationship manager PSU bank. Location would be Hubli, Tripur and Bangalore. The experience for the role the minimum experience for the role is 3 years of experience. Sales experience with insure companies with balance insure profiles, and type of sector for the role is the banking, financial services, and insurance or BFSI, asset management and mutual funds. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. One of the leading conglomerate company requires senior accountant. Location would be Andheri West, Mumbai location. Accounting and bookkeeping, maintaining books in Tally ERP, past general entries and finalize accounts. GST and taxation, file GST returns, handle reconciliation notice and TDS compliance. Financial reporting, prepare balance sheet, P&L MIS budget reporting, compliance and audit, coordination with auditors, ensure legal compliance, banking and cash flow, handle BRS, manage cash flow and loans, payables and receivable, vendor payments, customer follow-ups, and aging analysis, team management, supervise junior accountants. Experience for the role is minimum 3 to maximum 8 years of experience. Sector would be manufacturing. Gender would be both male and female. Qualification is graduate, PGDM, or MBA in finance. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading asset management company requires cluster sales manager. Location would be Chennai. Achieve AUM, SIP, and sales target across assigned products. Develop, manage distributors relationship and expand the distribution network. Conduct distributor visits, training sessions, and marketing activities. Lead, coach, and monitor the sales team to achieve business goals. Drive business growth through effective sales, distribution, and team management. Experience for the role is minimum 7 to maximum 9 years of experience. Gender would be male or female. Qualification for the role is graduate or NISM certification. Is mandatory. Type of sector would be asset management company. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. Yes. India is one of the leading supply chain management company required. Yes, sure. Sales manager food and chemicals. Location would be Vashi, Navi Mumbai location. Develop business and acquire new customers in the food and chemical industry. Promote returnable packaging solutions and manage customer relationship. Generate lead through market research, cold callings, and networking. Conduct product trials and coordinate with internal teams for successful implementations. Achieve sales target while improving customer supply chain efficiency. Experience for the role is minimum 7 to 9 years of experience. Type of sector would be food technology, solution sales, B2B sales, liquid bulk packaging, and bulk processing. Graduate would qualification would be graduate or MBA is preferred. Interested candidate can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. Oh, I will. Sure. India is one of the leading group of conglomerate company requires senior executive assistant manager customer service. Location would be Pune. In-depth knowledge of freight forwarding, manage ocean and air import export shipments, handle bookings, documentation and shipment tracking, coordinate with customers, carriers and overseas agents, resolve customer queries and ensure timely services. Experience for the role is minimum 6 years of experience. Type of sector would be logistic. Qualification would be any degree. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email ID, contact number, or you can scan the given QR code. As you can see on my screen, this is our Mumbai's head office along with the given address, email address, and contact number. Anyone wants to visit, they can visit our office. This is our branches in Baroda and Delhi, along with their office addresses, email IDs, and contact number. We also have our branches in Vizag and Kolkata. Uh, this is our branches in Kochi and Chennai as well. As you can see on my screen, those who have missed out to register, you can register by scanning this QR code, or you can contact to the given contact number or given email ID. To know more about our company, you can visit our company's website, which is www.seagullhr.com. This is our digital present. To stay connected with us on our social media accounts, you can visit our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter and YouTube websites. Thank you for joining us.